Bonjour. Today we are going to count in tens in French. So we are going to learn how to say 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. Today's lesson is really simple. I am going to count in tens in French up to 300 to give you an idea of what happens when we reach 200 and 300, and the pattern will follow up to 10,000 and so on. So let's have a look at what happened, and please try to count with me. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, and so on. Why don't you carry on? 310, 320, and so on. When you reach 1,000, it is 1000. So you carry on. 1100. Okay, or 1010, 1020, 1030, and so on. Try to do it yourself now. Remember, there is a support guide available with this lesson at learnfrenchwithalexa.com. Au revoir, à bientôt, bisous bisous, salut!